Wildlife Cabinet Secretary Dr. Alfred Mutua has expressed disappointment with the slow pace at which Ronald Ngala College in Kilifi County has been constructed. The concept and works at the college have gone on for 16 years. The Cabinet Secretary, who visited the construction site of the college, said that the process must change immediately to ensure that key buildings such as classrooms are completed fast based on available funds so that the college can open its doors by early mid next year. The CS announced that Ronald Ngala College will open in 2024, and in a statement, Mutua, who visited the college under construction in Kilifi County, said that the government will complete a few classes fast with the available funds to end the 16-year wait.
I've toured. It's a good project. We looked at the challenges that are facing it. I've had a chat with the people who are in charge of making sure the project is executed, and also with the contractor. And we have agreed that we are going to build this in stages, and that by end of March, we should have this part of this project ready for handover and ready for students to come and start studying here. So I'm expecting that work will continue very fast, and I want to promise the people of Coast, I want to promise the people of Kenya, we are going to do this in a very chap manner, have very good quality, and finish it so that it can be used. And many projects, even the University of Nairobi was not completed in its entirety at one time. You know, we can't sit here for another 5 years waiting for the whole project to ever be completed. No, we take what needs to be completed. We have the administration blocks, we have the dining hall, we've got the classes, we've got the hostels. The core function areas need to be completed.
The report takes us to our first commercial.